Alright, so Duke and I here at an all-Ford car show. A lot of Mustangs here, obviously. Some other things as well, some older comments. We brought the Caliente. So let's walk around and see what we can find and maybe get him a hot dog. Showing off some rod parts here. Fender extensions, frame components. See what we got here. There's music in the background. Oh, it's got a whole subframe on it and everything. The whole frame under it. Nice. Coyote. Full tube chassis. That'd be a fun vehicle. A lot of nice metal work here. That's some nice work there. I'm not sure. Someone will roast me on this, that's fine, but how much of this is Ford, but it's a pretty cool ride. Let's see. Hopefully the music in the background don't kill this video too bad. That's sweet. There's why it's here. So it's sitting on a Ford chassis. If someone knows more about these, school me. I'm okay. It's nice, old high boy. Did a nice job with this. Let's see here. So something similar to this I'm looking after we get our Willis here and done. Jump into a build something like this. This old Falcon, now this was a sister car to the Caliente that we got, the Comet. So a lot of the parts from the Comet come off of all the old Falcons. Got to keep him in shade and water. Nice little spot here next to the car for him.
Inside, you can stop by, grab one of the event t-shirts, $20. We're helping Putnam celebrate their 100-year anniversary, so you can grab all those shirts while you're inside. Our outside vendors out there, Branson Garage, Missouri Diecast, Triple Years. Make sure you guys stop by and see those guys. The guys at Branson Garage have those challenge coins for our first responders and our veterans. So stop by there and ask those guys about those. All Cold Barbecue is getting opened up. You guys want something to eat? Also, Milano shaved ice.
Okay, so this is a two-door Caliente. We've got the four. I mean, obviously the two-door is it's a better looking ride. They're a little harder to find. Boy, that's nice. That's a nice red on that thing. Done a nice job with the interior. Let's see what he's got under there. Probably a 289, I'm guessing. You know, the 260, what is it, 260, 289, 302, pretty much all the same blocks. 64, that's what we got. Let's see what our interior should look like. Oh, it's got air in it and everything. Yep. Maybe someday. Instead of bet on this old Ford truck here. It's done a really nice job with, I believe, maple. Those chrome slats in there. Good looking truck. Let's see here. Oh yeah, it's a good looking ride. Nice, I believe. So blower sitting on it. It's a nice looking GT350. I bet that's a fun car. I mean, she's shoehorned in, but I bet there's a whole lot of fun in there. Be a nice car to get in and have some fun on distance. Really nice old Fairlane. Done a lot of work to this thing. Love that red paint. He's taking off.
Smile, buddy.
A nice little area here for giveaways and food and everything. So let's see what we got. I like the gray on this. I don't know if it's hard to pick up in the video, but it's like a grayish blue. Son-in-law's got Escape with that same color on it. It's almost got like a flop to it. A lot of metallic. Pretty cool color though. It's a good looking Mustang. I think the wife needs one of these for her car. So this dealership, Pudman Ford, celebrating 100 years. That's why they're having this car show here. So that's why I got all the Mustangs and everything in here. I mean, it's the dealership. They got a pretty nice little show. Got some food and stuff up here. Some of this is going to be a voiceover because of the music. Oh, this old truck sounds good. Let's see what we got here. It's got a little something in her. It's got a linked rear end in it. You can see the links from here. Oh, those are not a linked rear end, but just keep it from like an old traction bar. See how he likes that. See how he likes that. Maybe that's better for him. Nice old Woody. I like that old Mercury. So I wanted to find one to fix up, but I don't want one that's nice because I know I won't end up cutting it up. So if you like Mustangs, this is definitely your show. Really nice old Cougar. You don't see many of those left anymore. These are the ones that you have to credit your sequential taillights for. That's where they first came out.
you know, is it called, I don't know enough about Mustangs, is this called Shelby?
Come on, Duke. See if I find you a hot dog. All right, so that was a cool little all-Ford car show at the dealership. Hope you enjoyed it. If you liked it, subscribe to the channel. Duke and I'll see you in the next one. Remember, get those old cars out and drive them. They're just like we are. If they sit, they'll go bad.